Hey guys, have you ever wondered what would happen if a black hole entered our solar system? A rogue, wandering black hole barging into our cosmic neighborhood. Sounds terrifying, doesn't it? Now, before we delve into this cosmic catastrophe, let's first understand what exactly a black hole is. Imagine a celestial body so dense, so heavy, that nothing can escape its gravitational pull, not even light. That's a black hole for you. Born from the remnants of a massive star that has ended its life in a supernova explosion, it's a region in space where gravity is so strong that it warps space and time. Now picture this. A black hole, let's call it a rogue because it's not anchored to any galaxy, drifts into our solar system. It's like an unwelcome guest who doesn't play by the rules. It disrupts the cosmic peace, and its gravitational influence begins to toy with the orbits of the planets, including our Earth. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so intense that it can bend the path of anything that comes near it. It's like a cosmic bully, pushing and pulling celestial bodies around. It doesn't discriminate. Planets, asteroids, comets, all are fair game. So, how does gravity work in this context? Well, think of it like this. Every object in the universe, no matter how small or large, has a gravitational field that influences other objects. The larger the mass, the greater the gravitational pull. A black hole, with its immense mass concentrated in a tiny space, has an unimaginably strong gravitational field. It's like the ultimate puppet master, pulling the strings of celestial bodies and dictating their movements. However, the effect that a black hole would have on our solar system depends largely on its size. A smaller black hole might cause some orbital chaos, while a larger one could potentially swallow up entire planets. So, a black hole can be both fascinating and terrifying. But what would its arrival mean for our solar system? Let's explore this further in the next scene. Now, imagine a black hole making its way into our solar system. What happens next? The force we'd initially grapple with is the super intense gravitational pull of the black hole. Its arrival would be like an uninvited guest at a party, causing a stir and drawing everything towards it. Starting with the outermost planets, Neptune and Uranus, their orbits would begin to distort, pulled out of their usual paths and towards our celestial intruder. But the effects wouldn't stop there. As the black hole moves closer, Saturn and Jupiter, the gas giants, would also feel its influence. Their orbits too would warp and twist under the black hole's gravitational pull. The planets we've mapped and studied for centuries could be flung out of the solar system or sent spiraling into the black hole itself. And remember the asteroid belt, that band of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter? Well, it wouldn't stand a chance. The black hole's gravity would disrupt this cosmic gravel path, sending asteroids hurtling in all directions. This could lead to a domino effect of destruction, with asteroids potentially colliding with planets and causing further chaos. Now let's consider the size of the black hole. If it's a smaller, stellar black hole, the result could still be catastrophic, but our sun might remain largely intact. However, if we're dealing with a supermassive black hole, the kind found at the center of galaxies, then our sun wouldn't fare so well. Its very matter could be stripped away, drawn into the black hole's inescapable grasp. In either scenario, the inner planets, including our own Earth, would have their orbits severely disrupted. We could find ourselves being pulled closer to the sun or further away, drastically altering our climate and making life as we know it impossible. So, a black hole's size plays a major role in the scale of destruction. But could such a disaster really happen? The question that's probably bothering you now is, could a black hole really wander into our solar system? Let's dive into that. When it comes to the universe, it's vast, mind-bogglingly vast. So much so that the likelihood of a rogue black hole strolling into our cosmic neighborhood is incredibly slim. In fact, according to most astrophysicists, the odds are astronomically low. A study published in the Astrophysical Journal suggests that there's only a 1 in a trillion chance of a black hole passing within the orbit of Neptune within the next billion years. That's like finding one specific grain of sand on all the beaches on Earth. However, it's important to remember that, in the cosmos, rare events happen all the time. Now let's talk about our preparedness. If a black hole were to enter our solar system, would we be ready? The short answer is, well, not really. Currently, our understanding of black holes is still in its infancy. Despite decades of studying these cosmic curiosities, there's still much we don't know. We don't even know for certain how they form. We have theories, of course, but black holes remain shrouded in mystery. Moreover, our ability to detect a rogue black hole is limited. We can't see black holes directly, but astronomers can detect them by studying their effect on nearby matter. If a black hole were heading our way, we would likely only know about it when it's already too close for comfort. In terms of mitigation strategies, we're even less prepared. The immense gravitational pull of a black hole means that diverting its path would be next to impossible with our current technology. So, while the chances of a rogue black hole entering our solar system are incredibly slim, it's a situation we would be ill-prepared to handle. But don't let that keep you up at night. Remember, space is vast, and our little corner of it is just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. While the chances are slim, it's a cosmic eventuality that we can't completely rule out. So, we've ventured into a terrifying yet fascinating possibility: a black hole entering our solar system. We've unraveled the mystery of black holes, these cosmic monsters with gravitational pulls so strong, not even light can escape. We've seen how, were one to wander into our cosmic neighborhood, it could spell disaster, disrupting the delicate balance of our solar system. The size of the black hole would play a crucial role in determining the magnitude of this chaos. A smaller black hole might go unnoticed, while a supermassive one could potentially swallow entire planets. But, amidst this cosmic catastrophe, it's important to remember that such an event is highly unlikely. The universe is vast, and our solar system, just a tiny speck in its grand design. While it's a remote possibility, it's a reminder of the vast, unpredictable cosmos we're a part of. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring.